I found the best technical indicators for the stock market, forex market and the crypto market, and today I'm going to teach you that how you can perform the technical analysis as a beginner with the help of indicators that are well known on the TradingView platform. So guys, before I start this video, please subscribe FX Mentor because a lot of useful content is going to be uploaded on this channel. So please make sure that you become a part of this community. So the first strategy that we are using is the 3MA trend indicator, and please note down that is by Wall Niradam. Okay, Wall Niradam, and you can see 288 traders are using this, and most of the traders have no idea about the power of this indicator. So today I'm going to talk about this indicator for the first time, right? The second indicator that we will be using in this strategy is true strength indicator with histogram. Okay, so if you write TSI indicator with histogram, then you will find that it is uploaded by Zakaria Bogi. Okay, Zakaria Bogi, and only few traders are using it, and most of the traders have no idea about this indicator, that this indicator has a very good potential. So I have just attached this indicator on my screen. So the two indicators are attached, and the third indicator that I will be using in this technical analysis video will be the extreme trend. Now our trading setup is ready, and now we will be looking to make some sort of changes into the X trend indicator. So I am going to the settings of the X trend indicator. First of all, I will uncheck the X trend line, and also I will uncheck the 200 EMA line, and then I press OK, and now you can see our setup is completely ready to trade. Okay, now one thing that again please notice down this thing, that this strategy is useful for any time frame and any type of trader, even if you are a forex trader, even if you are a crypto trader or a stock market trader. This strategy is going to help you on the time frame that you actually use. Okay, so as you can see, the three green lines on my chart, they are basically the first indicator, that is the 3MA, and that is telling you that we are into the upward trend, and the market should be into the upward trend until unless these all three lines are into the green color. When they will change their color to the red, then we can consider the trend is getting changed. The second indicator, that is the X trend, that is giving us the buy and sell signals. That is very clear on the screen. The third one is TSI histogram. That is very useful. Like for example, you can see here we have a zero level, right? So if you see any candle is closed above the zero level, it is the buy signal. So we will be using the TSI histogram for our trade confirmation, right? So for example, we are going to take a long position, and we all the three moving averages are green. The first condition is met, and the histogram also closed a candle above the zero level. So let's say we have taken a buy position from here. We can set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market. Okay, and then if we compare this thing, that how much we have targeted from this trade, then we can calculate it. If we actually calculate it, then you can see we have easily done with 2.15 ratio on this trade, right? Again we have the bullish opportunity, again we entered long, and you can see we have a slight scalping chance. Again on this candle here we have a scalping chance. TSI histogram also closed above the zero level, and we have a chance somewhere here. We can set up a stop loss at the previous low, and then we can conclude 1.32 ratio is easily found on this trade as well. Even if we go to this platform, that even into that trade, then you can see we have a very good bullish signal, and we are already done with the 2.14 ratio. Let's have a look on USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD, you can see the bullish signal performed very well. Bullish signal good for scalping. So right now I'm on the 5-minute time frame, but if you will switch your time frame to the other time frames, then guys, definitely you will be getting more good results. Okay, so if you look at here it is telling you that all three moving averages are red. So it's kind of a sell signal, and if you have taken the sell position, for example, if you went short from here, you have set up a stop loss like this. So for example, at the previous high of the market, and then you have targeted something. No, actually you have taken the trade at the lower side, so above the three moving averages you can set up your stop loss, because the scenario is bit changed here, and you can see that we have easily caught 5.11 ratio. Again the trend gets changed here. Okay, if we go here and if we choose the long position here, again the trend gets changed, and then we will again enter into the buy position, set up a stop loss like this at the previous low, and then you can see what you have targeted. You have targeted actually like 3.67. So guys, it's working on different pairs in a different way, but overall I'm very happy that this indicator has a very good success rate. So if you do not have any idea about the technical analysis, so these three EMAs are going to help you a lot. They will take your judgment, and they will tell you, like for example, if we talk about Great Britain pound CAD, here we are into the downtrend and then keep on selling. We will ignore the buy signals when we are below the 3 EMAs. We will ignore the buy signals, and you can see buys are not working, however sells are working. Here the trend gets changed, and then it has pointed you with the green, and then it has pointed you with the red, but later on again it turned into green. So definitely it's a kind of a slow pair, but overall if you use on other good pairs like gold and USD CHF, Euro USD, and stock market, cryptocurrency, even you can try it on Bitcoin as well. So I can have a look on Bitcoin USD. Okay, now look at here. That's a good example. The trend gets changed. Three moving averages are green, and you can see you are already in the way, because already you have a buy signal and the market is pumping up. However, when we have a sell signal on Bitcoin, you can see the market was only dropping, and previously we have a buy signal. It also worked perfectly well. So guys, these three indicators are going to help you with your trading matters, even if you are any kind of trader. So guys, please attach these indicators on your screen and trade them wisely. Okay, so guys, what do you think about this trading combination? And please let me know into the comment section. Please subscribe FX Mentor US and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.